Hello and welcome to the channel. Let's see what I got from AliExpress here. Now this is a shoulder strap, I think. Oh, and it comes with a screw. Nice. This sits on the shoulder. So I can sit my my V50X cameras, one of them, on the shoulder and stuff like that. I'll have to figure out how I'm going to store this thing, because I don't think it'll fit in the case that I've got. It seems pretty well adjustable, which is good. I'm going to see if I can put this thing on. I need to loosen it by quite a bit. I think this goes on the right shoulder. Oh, I need to loosen it even more. Oh, this is something I would need somebody's help with. I'm thinking unless I put it on the other shoulder, on the left shoulder, and stretch it around. Be kind of backwards though, but okay. It's definitely made for somebody who's a lot skinnier than I am. But at least the straps are elastic, but I could see the elasticity eventually giving way. Okay. Unless I can. Okay, now I can put it on the right shoulder. I moved the strap around a bit. Now I do have a plan for this at some point in the future for like a POV camera. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I know you didn't really see me try it on or anything like that, but yeah, it'll work for what I need it to, which is good. So yeah, it's definitely better on the right shoulder with this part kind of near the front, so that I can angle the camera up or down or however I need to, because if it's sitting like this with the camera facing this way, it would obstruct the view a little bit, I think, unless I have it straight. But if I need to have it angled down at all, this part would get in the way of the view. So it's better to have it this way with the camera facing out this way, on the right shoulder. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video and have a good one.